Hi guys.
Hi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Madeline.
Happy birthday, Madeline.
Graham.
Happy birthday.
Whoa.
Papa says happy birthday too. Bye-bye.
What are you guys doing?
Campfire. Roasting
We're having a campfire.
Smells good.
Hey, that's
Whoa. Tastes good too.
Hey,
Yeah.
guys, that's
Yay.
enough wood. That's enough wood.
Happy birthday.
Whoa.
Just save that for later, okay?
Yeah, look at that.
You're going to put so much it'll suffocate it.
That's right.
Why do you guys put so much on there?
You put way too much on.
Why'd you bring
But it's fun, isn't it? That's a kind of camping
Did you turn it off?
love. It's like a little pyromania.
Oh, they love that.
Look at that
Oh.
fire. Awesome.
Don't
Blow
touch
it
them on fire, honey. Please don't touch them on fire. I won't be able to eat them.
Tyler.
Put it out. Put it out. Blow 'em.
Sharon likes them burnt, but not that burnt.
No, don't burn them. They're not good burnt.
No.
I like them good.
I don't.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Bye, Maddie.
Oh my God.
See, that's what makes
Bye, Maddie. Have a good birthday.
Keeps the mosquitoes away.